The Congress, was with alliance with the DMK. Now they have suddenly jumped ship and said we'll be in alliance with TVK. Do you believe that they've become an opportunistic party and they've showed their true colors?
Yeah, that is, these are backstabbers. That is why I never like Congress, because it's from what they have done to Sri Lankan Tamils in Sri Lanka. They have betrayed us to the core, to any extreme, to killing of people just for their family benefit. So these people, this shows their character for so many years. Even for how long DMK has supported them whenever they needed in the MP and in the central government. Now they have shown their true color. This is what is Congress. They are very opportunist. Just because they wanted, they separated Andhra and Telangana. Just because the Kachativu was gifted to Sri Lanka for no reason. Even India, Pakistan, all these issues, Bangladesh, all these were created by the Congress family. They are only worried about the family, and so I don't really support.
But sir, like you mentioned, talking about how opportunists they are, do you believe that they would also go ahead and fall back with TVK if an opportunity arises again? Because TVK hardly has just barely managed to get the numbers, 118 seats, 119, 120, just 2-3 seats that have barely managed to keep it together. It's very easy for them to, break away from alliance. Do you think the Congress will yet again backstab?
Yeah, obviously, that is in the blood. There's no double thought about whether they'll backstab TVK. So they are 100% will backstab TVK if they get a better opportunity. That is for sure. And TVK itself has to be very careful and cautious in running this government. They should be focusing on the development rather than managing the seats and managing these people.
And a last and final question to you, sir. How do you see, in Tamil Nadu, TVK that is now coming to power, the role of the governor? There had been a lot of talk that took place saying that the governor had failed on his constitutional duty. TVK and Congress Plus had 108. They had, the minority majority that was needed to form the government, but the governor had stopped it. How do you see these kind of comments being made?
Even just 1-2 days delay is not going to make a big difference. But this party has to be a permanent solution. That's why I'm saying the senior leaders like CPM, CPI, and all them. So they have done their best to make sure the democratic system is being safeguarded, and they have done their best on that. So this is to protect our democracy, and that is what has happened. When they go in with majority, it is better for them. Otherwise, again going for re-election doesn't make any sense, and making wasting public's money on electoral voters and having police protection. Again, people and the politicians, and they have to look for the development rather than working on the elections and all these tasks.
So your mother has won massively from Lalgudi. She is also somebody who EPS takes into consideration when it comes to her opinions as well. Do you believe if the AIADMK had wanted and had pursued strongly enough, TVK and AIADMK could have come together?
As I said, the AIADMK leader has to decide on that. I cannot comment on anything on what is that.
No, but do you think there could have been a chance? Because you see family members from both sides that are there, they could have made it work.
It's not about family members. At the end of the day, it is the leader. My mother has always been saying that it's the leader's decision. Whatever the leader says has to be followed. That is what we've been doing. So we are all ethical people. So we don't cross the lines.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.